Hey, Dr. Albertelli here again with Center of Dental Professionals. Today we're going to incorporate a couple of our assistants here, Chelsea and Nick. Chelsea's going to demonstrate some of the problems that can come up if we're not taking good care of our teeth underneath those braces, some little tricks you can do with some healthy foods, and then demonstrate some brushing and, again, how to take care of them on a live patient here who has braces on. So we're going to turn it over to Chelsea and let her take it away.
Okay, so the most important thing when you have braces on, the very most important thing is to be able to keep your brackets clean. That's the biggest thing that we see. And you can see on the chart here what excellent hygiene looks like. So you're not going to have any plaque or white pieces on your braces. A lot of them usually show up above your brackets like that. Or you'll see a lot of bleeding when you brush. If you see bleeding, all that means is you need to be brushing more, you need to be flossing more. So after every time you eat, we want you to be brushing, and your braces should look really nice and clean at the end of the day before you go to bed. If you do not brush your teeth, what you end up having is cavities, which we don't want you to have cavities when you get your braces off. We want you to have a beautiful straight smile, but we also want you to have perfect teeth, which means you're not going to have these white, you can see here, little white halos. You've probably seen them on people's teeth before, and that means that you did not brush your teeth well while you were in your braces. So just to kind of demonstrate, Nick's going to help us demonstrate what it looks like to really clean your brackets. A lot of times people brush like this just straight across, but we want to make sure that you're turning that toothbrush, and you're going to turn it, get on top of your braces, and make sure you get underneath so that your tissues are being brushed too and there isn't any accumulating plaque there. The last thing that we see that's most important with people's braces is eating the wrong kind of food. So like you can have an apple, we want you to still eat stuff like that, but you need to make sure that you're cutting it up, chewing on it with your back teeth and not biting into it. Even things like pizza crusts, anything hard that's going to pull on those brackets will break them off. So just remember to avoid stuff like that and keep your braces really clean, and you'll be able to have a bright, beautiful smile.